Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Sentence with Biology. Today we will learn Grade 10 Bio, Chapter 2, Cell Structure and Organization. Let's begin with lesson. Cell components found in plants and animal cells. Cell wall, locations, outside the cell membrane. Key functions. Structures, a structural layer surrounding some types of cells, just outside the cell membrane. Functions, give the cell strength and structure, and to filter molecules that pass in and out of the cell. Present, absent. How many did you get right? Cell membrane. Location, around the cytoplasm. Structures, phospholipid bilayer with proteins attached to or embedded in it. Plant and animal cell present. Choose the best answer for each question. You have completed today's lessons. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.